can stay like this forever, 'cause I got the world in my hand.
Morning. Well, actually it's not morning now, it's afternoon. I've not managed to fit the camera up all morning. It's been another rushed day so far. Livy's had dance rehearsal this morning, haven't you, Liv? Yeah? You've only got one more rehearsal and then you've got your show, haven't you?
Yeah.
Yeah, you excited?
I'm gonna bring my sky back next week.
Your sky?
On the show.
Oh, are you? That'll be cool, won't it? Yeah? So we are just on our way to Ikea now because we need to get a new rug for the living room, and we need to get some ideas for like lights for the living room as well, because the one in the alcove exploded like I told you last week, so we're going to get some ideas on what we can find in there. Here! Where do you want to go after Ikea, Livy?
To Disney store.
No.
Last time
Toys
I
R
did go
Us.
to the Disney store.
What have you found, Livy?
I found drawers.
Wow. Come on then, should we go and see what else there is? Yeah. Do you like that little stool to sit at? It's cool, isn't it? Okay. What are you doing, cheeky? What are you doing? Ah, you got me. You got me. I really, really like that chair. I like the colour of it as well.
I love it.
You love it? Are you going to sit in it?
Can I put my...
No, you might have mud on your feet. Right, okay then. Go on then. Is it comfy? Yeah. You're spinning yourself round. Oh, careful. Do you want me to spin you?
Well, you know what you were getting at, backhanded.
What are you doing? What are you doing? Are you exploring? Are you exploring?
These bits are quite good to put your things in.
Yeah. What are you doing, Toby? Would you like a room like this when you're a big boy? What can you find?
Put your things
In where? Oh wow. Plugs. Pardon?
in.
That's pretty.
We could use it as my ice thing.
Yeah, pop it back then, darling. This is Mummy's favourite bit, all the candles. Oh, I like the Christmas ones. They're pretty. Yes, darling.
That's a nice one for our top.
Oh yeah, you like that one?
Yeah, it's got
I like these, look. How cool are these? Oh, I like those lanterns. They're really pretty. And I like the little trees as well. We're definitely going to have to come back closer to Christmas. They don't smell of anything, darling, because they're not real. They're just fake plants, darling. Because then people like Mummy can't kill them. That's an orchid. It's not real, darling, I've told you. It's just a plant. Come on then, darling. We're going to go now. We've got everything we need. Careful. Come on, find Daddy. We've got everything we need. Toby, are you wrapping yourself up in my blanket? Oh no, you want a cuddle, don't you, darling? You know when you go somewhere and you just kind of wish you hadn't bothered? Livy was being so good for the first bit, and then she was moaning because she couldn't go in the play centre. And then you've just been naughty, haven't you? So we're not taking her to Toys R Us now. We were going to take her and let her have a look around afterwards to put some ideas on a Christmas list, but she's not been good enough, so we are just heading home now. Hours later, we are back from Ikea. I've just been like running around the living room tidying up so that I could put out our new rug. So we got the new rug and I got these cushions as well, just the big plain grey ones. But yeah, I really like it. I know my phone's there, but I've just been tidying up all of Toby's like first birthday toys. And yeah, obviously like I said in one of my other videos, the ottoman's supposed to be in the middle, but someone likes to get hold of the lights on the fire, don't you? Yeah, cheeky boy. So I've put the old rug under the dining table. My mum suggested it. I need to clean the dining table off. I really like it. It just makes it feel a bit more cosy. What are you saying? What are you saying? You're going crazy. Crazy baby. Really? Ah! Cheeky boy, you're getting ready for bed in a minute. Yeah, you can get ready for bed in a minute. What, pardon?
What does 5 minutes mean?
That's how long, like, time is. 5 minutes. Minutes is the amount of time.
What, 4 minutes?
4 minutes? What are you helping Mummy make?
Pasta.
Yeah, Mummy really fancied some pasta and sauce, so I'm making that. Livy's having her Pediasure shake, aren't you, darling? What flavour have you got?
Chocolate.
Chocolate. Yummy. You're clapping, Tobes. You gonna do it? He's trying so hard to stand himself up. Livy, leave him. He can do it. You gonna say bye-bye?
Bye.
We're gonna watch the X Factor now, aren't we?
Yeah.
Yeah? So,
I've got no phone.
right, watch your hand in my face. Just been telling you about this with Toby. She's got no sense of personal space at all. Right, say night-night.
Night. This is £100. So Toby needs to find me £100. Thank you for giving me a coin. Now you can have your doll. Just get it down there. Turtles don't do anything illegal. Anyway, Stella has to go to bed. Let's count and move. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Hop. 7, 8, 9. It's time. Watch.
I feel like I film in the car all the time at the minute. We're on our way out. I can't pronounce the place, so I'm just going to say we're going to a lighthouse. Me and Matt have just been like trying to work out how you say it. So yeah, we're going to go there. It's a National Trust property, so there's like a little play area. You can go in and look around the lighthouse and stuff. So we're going to go there because Livy's been wanting to go for quite a while, haven't you, darling? Yeah, but we've just not had any free weekend time at all recently, so we've got some free time today. It would have been lovely to have like a day in the house, but we need to make the most of these days. So yeah, that's where we're going. We're here. It's so cold and it's so windy. If it's reflecting, what does it mean it is? Yeah, it's clever, isn't it? Oh yeah, you can see your hand still, can't you? It's clever, isn't it? car seat. Well, not new, it was Sissy's, wasn't it? Yeah? Oh, your toothy peg's hurting. We're going to get you in the house then. Come here. We're watching Libby.
Ghost.
What ghost? Remember his name?
No.
Casper, not Costa. Costa the friendly ghost. Serves you coffee. Yeah, we're watching Casper now. We're all nice and warm because it was freezing out. But we had a really good time at the lighthouse. So yeah, we're going to watch the movie. What are you doing under there, mister? What are you making, Liv? Do you want to see sparklers? Because what day is it today? Bonfire night, isn't it?
Daddy, you made
Oh, you made Daddy an aeroplane. Livy, can you remember what you told me you learnt at school about bonfire night?
I can't.
What Guy Fawkes tried to do.
Blow the king.
Blow up the king. Do you remember that?
What does that mean?
Do you remember the saying? Remember the 5th of November. What are you doing, you weirdo? Should we go and do the sparklers then? Before you get too hyper. Did he? Uh-oh. What happened? Run it back. Ta. So I'm going to end this weekend's video here. This little man is refusing to go to sleep. I think it's probably because all the fireworks are going off and stuff, isn't it, darling? Yeah, and you're teething and you're going for a leap. Just all going on at the minute. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed our weekend vlog, and I hope you'll subscribe if you're not already. Give it a thumbs up, and I will see you in my next video on Wednesday. Bye. Say bye. Oh, you're clapping. Oh, good boy.